Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I'm kind of on the fence, not kind of on the fence, I'm on the fence. And I'm looking for your inputs. And I really appreciate all your inputs on my previous show about the new charge for a ham radio license. It's great to get all your inputs. So I want your inputs on this. This is a fairly hefty decision I need to make, and that is whether to get one of these new Tecsun PL-990x. Now, I've reviewed or watched this review by Dan Robertson several times, and he does a great job of reviews, and to me it sounds like there's not much difference. There's some differences, but not much improvement, I'll say. And maybe I'm wrong. And if I didn't have the 880, then I would definitely get a 990. But I've already got the 880. But the other thing that's kind of tickled my curiosity is now, if I click on the right page here, okay, you could get these now, the released version, which is the 990X, from Anna Khan, however you pronounce that, $235, and it comes from China. Or, this is what's really got me on the edge, you can now get it from Amazon, $30 more, $269, and it will not arrive until January 14th or 20th. And I know I saw this before Christmas, and I saw the shipping date, and I go, well, nah, I won't even think about it for now. So I'm trying to decide whether to get one of these or not. I really like the looks of it, but is it that much different than my 880? Here's a great snapshot of his review. Please check out his review. Again, that's Dan Robinson. He did this review back in August. I don't think he's done any updates since then, but it's an excellent review comparing the two radios. I don't know what to do. I just like your inputs. Again, I've got the 880, but I would like to get the 990 to show it to you guys. Jill's has done a ton of videos on the 990, so maybe I'm kind of Johnny-come-lately, and maybe nobody would really be interested in my views. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Have a great new year. And if you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Again, I appreciate the response on my previous video about the FCC license fee. Have a great day. Bye-bye.